Hey Ryan, where are you heading?
Oh, hey Ansel. We're gonna head to the TCL booth and see if we can find anything fun, kind of weird, maybe a little bit exciting. Let's head in. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this robot.
What you find now?
Weird, but
Is it a?
Be together.
I just don't know what it is. Is it like a kid's toy? It looks like a baby, but it's in like a rolling stroller. Like, you've seen Wall-E, right?
yeah.
It's like the people who just live in mobility strollers. I don't even know how to feel. Like, this is the next step in iPad kids, is just AI robot kids. All right, so we'll probably go hit the NXTPAPER stuff. So that's like the phones, tablets with it's like a paper-like display. Yeah, display.
Okay.
This, however, I like a lot. If TCL made like a well-spec'd NXTPAPER phone, I would absolutely use it. No fingerprints, no glare. Like, it seems like a good idea. 512 gigabytes of storage? That's actually crazy. I didn't know you could change the NXTPAPER mode. Like, you can go from colors and you flip a little switch here on the side. It kind of looks like the OnePlus Alert slider, but you flip it and then it slowly like fades to a simplified, like longer battery mode. So you can still keep using it kind of like normal. If you activate the camera, it like goes back to normal because you're not going to use it as a black and white camera. The only problem is 18 watt fast charging. 18 watt wired charging in 2025. Otherwise, I mean, like, it's got a Dimensity 6300, which is pretty decent. Comes with Android 15 out of the box, which is impressive because a lot of phones that have been out for months haven't gotten that update yet. So there's a lot to like. I like TCL's new NXTPAPER phone a lot more than I thought I would. Like, you pick it up and you're like, okay, it's going to be a budget phone, but the idea that you can switch from a black and white to a color display, and the specs are actually pretty decent. Like, I don't know pricing off the top of my head, but I can't imagine it's going to be too much because TCL has always kind of kept its phones a little bit more approachable. So if you want something that's like gonna turn heads and not break the bank, I'm excited for a NXTPAPER phone. So, like, I know I made fun of the kid robot, but a laundry robot makes more sense. Okay, it is kind of the smallest dishwasher or washing machine I've ever seen. Yes, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. For a small dedicated item, so it washes
Okay.
and hangs it automatically. But in
It hangs it?
It hangs it. Yeah. Since we don't have water inlets, we're just demonstrating
Right.
the hanging process. It takes a little bit, but in a real scenario, you don't feel the timing because it's all
Because it's already
automatic.
in there and it's already done its thing.
Yeah. And the reason that we have the hanging is for UV sterilization
Right.
for men, as well as for ladies. Maybe they like to wear, they wash their bras or underwear.
Okay.
As well, whatever you wanted to have extra care for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that TV would take up my entire living room. Think they sell the robot too? Do you think they sell the robot frame? Like, what do they do with that when it's done? All right, so that was a quick look at TCL's booth from CES 2025. If you want to learn a lot more about what TCL brought to the show, you can do so in the description below and over at androidauthority.com.